Hello friends! Today we'll tell you about the evolution of refrigerators. Support our channel by subscribing and giving it a like. Let's go! People store ice in deep cellars so food can last longer. Ancient Persians built yak houses that keep ice even in desert heat. In Europe, people store snow and ice in winter, covering it with straw. Ice dealers deliver heavy blocks of ice daily to cool household kitchens. A wooden icebox cools food from above, while meltwater drains downward. Sawdust, cork, and felt in the walls slow down the melting of ice. In 1805, Oliver Evans described the principle of compression refrigeration. In 1834, Jacob Perkins patents the first refrigeration machine. Dr. John Gorey creates an ice-making machine to cool hospital wards. Carol Linday improves ammonia refrigeration for breweries and warehouses. Refrigerated rail cars allow meat and fruit to travel long distances. Early home refrigerators are bulky, expensive, and sometimes unsafe. In 1913, the first domestic electric refrigerators appear. The hermetic compressor makes refrigerators more reliable and safer for homes. In 1927, the monitor top model helps make refrigerators mainstream. In the 1913s, the introduction of Freon makes refrigerators less dangerous. Freezer compartments allow food to be stored for weeks or even months. The thermostat automatically maintains a stable temperature inside the refrigerator. By the 1950s, refrigerators become common household appliances. Shelves, containers, and door bins make food storage much more convenient. Plastic panels and enamel surfaces make refrigerators hygienic and easy to clean. The no-frost system prevents frost build-up and removes the need for defrosting. The side-by-side format increases capacity and convenience for home storage. The 1987 Montreal Protocol changes refrigerants to protect the ozone layer. Isobutane R600A becomes a common and safer refrigerant for home refrigerators. A+++ energy ratings encourage manufacturers to produce more efficient refrigerators. The inventor compressor runs quieter and smoothly adjusts cooling power. A near-zero temperature zone keeps meat and fish fresh longer. Adjustable humidity helps vegetables and greens stay fresh longer. Carbon filters and air circulation reduce odors inside the refrigerator. Built-in refrigerators hide behind cabinet panels and blend into the kitchen. The French door design combines wide shelves above with a freezer below. Four-door refrigerators divide storage into multiple temperature zones. Portable compressor refrigerators run on 12 volts during road trips. Wine coolers maintain precise temperature and humidity for beverages. Store display refrigerators with glass doors save energy with LED lighting. Wi-Fi refrigerators send alerts about temperature and open doors. Built-in cameras show shelf contents directly on a smartphone screen. Modern refrigerators use natural gases that reduce climate impact. A smart refrigerator analyzes supplies and automatically orders missing items. Artificial intelligence analyzes gases and warns when food is fouling. RFID packages send expiration dates directly to the refrigerator display. Shelf scales track food quantity and help plan shopping. One compartment can switch between fridge and freezer models. The refrigerator considers electricity tariffs and cools more at night. Solar panels and batteries allow refrigerators to work autonomously. A modular system allows adding sections without buying a new refrigerator. Solid-state systems cool without compressors and traditional refrigerants. Steam self-cleaning and sterilization reduce bacteria and odors. Eco-design simplifies repair, disassembly, and recycling of refrigerators. Shared refrigerators in apartment buildings help reduce food waste. In the future, cooling may be built directly into kitchen panels.